It's a nice guy.
Ryan, where are we?
We're on Walmart, guys.
We're at Walmart, and look what we found. Look, Rayyan, it's Ryan's world.
Mama, come on. Mama, come on.
There are so many toys for clearance.
Mama, where's Papa? Mama.
Tech deck dudes. I don't know what those are.
Mama. Mama.
Ooh, Smash Mashy. Silly Sand. They have these neon squishy fun. They have big ones too.
Mama, I want more truck.
More slime.
Mama. Mama. I want more truck.
Ooh, there's a squishy ball. Oops. Tomato version.
Mama, I want monster truck.
You want a monster truck? Which one?
The fast one?
This one?
Yeah.
There's so many toys.
I want this.
Which one?
The car race.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay.
What?
There's Legos. There are these small Lego pieces you could put together. And Toy Story 4 collection. Of course, Rayyan wants a car one. It's Lego Car City with the police car on it, huh?
Yeah. And bed guys. Oh, Mama, it's TJ Maxx.
It's PJ Maxx. Yeah. Yeah, and I found Rayyan. They are all out of the shelf. That's so cool.
Let's take.
Oh, we found his squishies
Mama, give me eggs.
and the surprise eggs.
Give me eggs.
And Baby Shark collection. Paw Patrol.
Eggs.
It's a mystery ball, guys. It has all 4 of them in it.
Mama. Mama. Ryan's toys.
There's more Ryan toys?
Yeah.
Oh wow, there's a fire truck and a garbage truck and a helicopter. And Gus. Mystery squishy. All these mystery toys. We have this one. Which one do you want?
This.
That one?
Yeah.
What do you think is in it? Which one do you think is in it?
Egg.
Peppa Pig.
Cool box.
And Disney. Paw Patrol. Treasure box.
Yeah.
What does it have in it?
Toys.
It has a pizza and a mask.
And donuts. Mama.
And more mysteries.
Can I have push cars, please?
You want your police car?
Yeah.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Let me open it for you.
We got
Instructions.
instructions.
It comes with 92 pieces. Do you want to fix it?
Yeah.
Let's fix it.
And then run this.
Yeah, and stickers. Oh, look. It's the man. Can you find the head? Where's the head?
Right here, right here, right here.
This is the head.
I want
Put
it.
it on here.
Okay.
We are halfway through it. We have more to go.
Yay! Yay, 1 minute, guys. Yahoo!
Show me. Whoa, it's so cool. It was really hard to make, guys, but it's worth it. It's a really cool toy.
Wow, it's a nice guy.